So I woke up one day and I thought, I got to get involved with this AI stuff. I got to see what I can do. Maybe there's something that I can create for myself instead of me having to go buy something, pay a monthly subscription fee for. I wanted to find something that could take an audio file, like the audio that's going on this microphone right here, and convert it to a PDF. This is similar to the idea of going to a YouTube video and downloading the transcript. I got tired of doing that, and I thought I'd like to have some way to do this myself on my local computer, uh, and not have to upload a video to YouTube first and then keep it private and then download the transcript and remove the timestamps. It was too much work, and then take that file and send it off to ChatGPT and have it converted to a PDF, and then have them write the metadata for my YouTube video. So I got to thinking, okay, I'm going to create an app. And this was the very first app that I ever created using AI. Okay. So I call it PDF to, I've changed it a couple times. So now I'll call it audio to PDF. What I'm going to show you here in a couple minutes is the current version. The one that I originally had, the first one that I created was strictly command line. And so now this one is not command line. I launch it from an icon, a shortcut on my desktop, and it opens up. It runs a Python script and gives me the interface. And well, I'll just show you. So here it is. Okay, so let me see here. There's my desktop. I have this app over here. Let me just start off by saying I keep a folder on my desktop called audio clips. So anything that I want to run through this little app, okay, I'm going to get rid of everything but the actual WAV file. The whole purpose of this is to convert this WAV file to metadata so I can upload it to YouTube and save myself all the trouble of creating the video, upload to YouTube, keep it private, download the transcript, edit the transcript, send it to AI, have it converted to metadata, and then come back in and write the description and the title and all that stuff. Now I can take the audio file from my microphone, okay, and I can launch this little app that I developed. This is the first app that I developed using AI. Okay, it's the very first app. And the first one is, I may have already told you this, but the first one was strictly command line. And I decided that I wanted to do something that would be graphical. So I had Darby, basically, I said, let's just start over, recreate this app, and let's do it graphical. And let's use Python, and that's the language that we use to develop the app. So on my folder, I have this audio clips folder. On my desktop, I have this audio clips folder. And here is the actual audio file, the WAV file, that we're going to convert to a PDF, okay? So I'm going to launch the program, and I called it audio to PDF. And there it is right there. And you can see, I got three choices here. Choose the audio file, process the file, or quit. And of course, this is the status, and this little bar bounces back and forth to show you that it's working. And then the output files will show up in this box here, okay? I can also just look at my directory where the file is sitting, and I can watch the actual files get created. So I'm going to choose my audio file. It defaults to my audio clips folder because that was the last place that I used, okay? So it automatically goes back to the last one I used. And there I'm picking the WAV file, and I'm going to say open, and now it's loaded, and there's the directory path, and there's the actual file itself, and I'm going to say process file. So I'll go ahead and open the audio clips folder and leave it open and watch this area right here. You'll see the files drop in here. It only takes a couple minutes, and I'll take out some dead space here and make it go quicker. Okay, see, there it is. There's the transcript and the transcript text file, transcript PDF, and then the metadata.txt. So I'll show you that. This is the only thing that's important. And as you can see, it's pretty small, so I'll expand it so you can read it. But there's the title, okay, right there. There's the alternate title. All this is created by OpenAI, ChatGPT, Darby. And by the way, yes, I do have to pay for this, but it's like fractions of a penny, and I have an API key that gets sent or gets, I guess, authenticated with. And that's how I get the privilege of using OpenAI to do this work for me, plus the monthly fee that I pay, $20. There's my description, and then I got hashtags. I'm going to tell him not so many hashtags because we really don't need more than 2 or 3 hashtags. And then, of course, I had the thumbnail text, small tool, big impact. So this was a video that I did about the trash picker story, where I donated a trash picker to this old man that was picking up stuff on the street for recycling. But that's all there is to it, folks. I mean, it was simple. It took me less than a day to create this app. I can remember back in my day trying to create something like this in Python. This would have taken me probably a couple of days, or maybe even longer. Like I said, the app file itself, the script itself, is 500 lines of code. And that's a lot. I mean, I know there's bigger programs out there, but this is just a little tiny desktop app running on a Mac M4. So that's it. Hope you get something out of it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, or you can send me an email. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.